Afternoon, everyone. Morning, afternoon. I don't even know what the time is. Almost afternoon. Almost lunchtime. I just got back from Northern 2J run. Really nice pie in 2J actually. The bakery. My mate never been there before, and he's riding his pies as well. And yeah, he was pretty impressed. So yeah, no, it's a good run. Car went really well. 190 k's that was a round trip. I left at 7 in the morning and just got back about 11. So yeah, really nice. So yeah, it went well. Hopefully no stone chips, not sure. It was like about 110 k's an hour most of the way, 110 most of the way. But yeah, ultra comfy, really nice. So yeah, it went well. I actually gave it a wash this morning. I couldn't help myself. It got pretty filthy because it's been raining since I picked it up. So yeah, it needed a bit of a spit shine. I washed it though. I don't like rubbing the dirt in just with a detailer. I don't do that, so just washed it. So yeah, all good. I'm back home now, just going to bite to eat, maybe just a drink. Still going on that pie, still running pretty hot on that pie. So yeah, just going to have a drink and then going to go past my dad's place, pick him up, and we're going to go out to Fremantle. So I think, don't know, plans might change when we get there. But yeah, probably Freo, I'd say. Just have another little run. I should tick over 550 k's by the time I get back home then. And then me and the missus are back out to York. Probably rack up another 160 k's, 170 k's tomorrow. So yeah, we're going to get pretty close to having about 700 k's, 800 k's by the end of tomorrow. So that'll be good, and then I might do another couple hundred during the week, and then the week after it's going to go back for its 1000k little checkup, and that might be the last time it goes to the dealer. I've been thinking about it, and I think I'm just going to do the servicing myself on it. It's not hard, it's just oil and filter. Anything major, I'll get them to go. Probably when it needs brake fluid and stuff like that, I could do it, but there might be tricks to doing it. I don't know. I'm going to have to read about it and decide whether I'm comfortable doing it myself, me and my dad. It's no drama with warranty because he's a registered mechanic, so he can be here while I'm doing it and sign the book and you know, so it's no dramas there. Plus, I mean, it's good for warranty. The main thing is when you sell it, you've got a service history, and I'm not planning on selling it, so I'm not really worried too much about that. But I said that about the SS, that I wasn't going to sell it, and we sold it like 6 years after. So, but this is much more fun than the SS. It's just lighter and goes nicer. So I ordered a mirror. You can see that little parabolic little safety mirror thing. Just because coming in, you get a little bit paranoid with the car. You got to get it kind of close to this wall here, the edge of the door. So and I'm finding myself I'm parking too far over this way. I need to come in more. So I thought, well, good thing about Amazon, it's overnighted. Ordered it yesterday, come in this morning. I just got back 5 minutes. Another 2 holes in the garage, and no, I didn't need your special tool, Jocko, that paint marker pen. I just used a texter. This is not too thick, so I didn't have to use it. But good option to have anyway. But yeah, so now I haven't even tried it out because I parked there and then hung this up. But yeah, so now at least I can look at this mirror while I'm coming in and just make sure I can see daylight between the mirror and that thing, and then that way I can get it in as close as I can this way. Thinking back when we built this place, I really should have added a meter. It would have been nice to have an extra meter width and a meter depth to the garage, but we never thought about it. And if we put a meter here, we'd either have to lose a meter in the house somewhere, which is probably not really practical, or shift the house that way a meter, which would have then made that side only too small. It would have made it too small, the other side gate. So yeah, so it wasn't really an option unless you find a bigger block to do what you want to do in. But yeah, but anyway, car's going good. The only negative, so the accelerator's sweet now. That's kind of worn in and it's not sticky like it was when I first got it. So that's really nice and smooth, unless I've gotten used to it, I'm not sure. But that's not an issue anymore. The road noise is pretty bad. I'm not used to a car with that much road noise, which is yeah, it's pretty bad. So like, it's not a deal breaker. I wouldn't not buy the car because of the road noise, but hopefully this I've got it here ready to go. There's a few sheets there of sound deadening, so hopefully that kind of tones it down a bit. Like today was most of the time on country roads doing 110, and they are pretty rough, so you're dealing with that road noise the whole time. It's just you do get used to it and tune out a bit, but it's pretty annoying. So that's about the only negative. I'm kind of used to the steering wheel. It's a bit thin for me, but I'm kind of getting used to it, just getting comfy in the car. Vision's really good. There's no dead spots. The little lights that it has on the inside to show that there's a little orange light on the pillar to show you that there's a car in your blind spot. They work really well. I was kind of eyeing it up, and you can see the car in your rear vision mirror, and you can also see the front of it in your side mirror, and the lights on. And there isn't really a blind. If you set your mirrors up properly, you don't have a blind spot. But yeah, if you check your rear vision, check your mirror, and then check your light. And if the light's not on and you can't see a car in your mirrors, you're sweet to change lanes. Yeah, you'll never get caught out. It's too hard to get caught out. So that's pretty cool. New number plates, put them on the other day. They look much better than those white and blue things that were on there. But yeah, all good. So I did wash it a bit sooner than what I really wanted to wash it. You shouldn't really wash it for like 5 to 7. It made it 4 days, I think. But it needed it. It had fly poo all over it and everything. So yeah, all good. But this was just a quick update video. I'll slip this video in. I'll probably upload it today sometime after I get back this afternoon. Just slip it in. But there is some more videos coming out about, I can't remember. I think there's 2 sitting there. The number plate might have been one. I've cut down that plinth that the number plate used to be on. Back one went in pretty easy. The front one needed a bit of angle grinder work on the plastic plinth that was there, but it looks nice and neat now. Looks much better. So yeah, so I think there's a video about that, and there's another one, I can't remember what it was. But yeah, anyway, all good. The what's the name? The Android Auto thing's going really well. The wireless Android Auto and the charging pad, spot on. Works perfect every time. What else can I say? Yeah, pretty happy with it. Pretty impressive. Yeah, goes good. Goes really good. Had a few little overtaking moments today, so I got to put the boot into it a little bit, up to the 4,000-5,000 RPM, and it's got plenty of power. It just pulls like a train. Yeah, so it'd be good once it's hit that 1,500, 2,000 Ks, and you really get stuck into it then. It goes really, really well. So yeah, all good. Anyway, we'll put the door down. I'm going to go have something to probably drink and a little bite to eat, and then we're heading out on another adventure. So catch you guys soon. See you later.